This project is about real-time power consumption monitoring of individual household and electricity theft detection and load control using IoT. See, this one is the house one. Let us. And this one is the house 2. And this is the main line which is supplying power to house 1 and house 2. And initially all the loads are off. All the loads are in off state. As all the loads are in off state, the power consumption will be 0. And see here house 1 current consumption is 0 amps and house 2 current consumption is also 0 amps. Now I will switch on the first load. What happened? I switch on the first load. Then see here house 1 the current consumption is 0.36 amps. And then I will switch on the second load. When I switched on the second load, look here, the current consumption is 0.36 amps for house 2 also. What happens? This information is sent to the cloud. Let us see. Here we are using Blink app to monitor the power consumption. Let us see. See here the Blink app, you can see that house 1 power consumption is 0.36 amps, house 2 power consumption is 0.36 amps. So what is the mainline power consumption? The mainline power consumption is 0.36 plus 0.36, that is 0.72 amps. So the mainline power consumption is coming as 0.72 amps. That means the current consumption which is transmitted from household 1 and the current consumption which is transmitted from household 2 with the help of the Wi-Fi modules present here in the house 1 and Wi-Fi module present in the house 2. And as usually the Wi-Fi module which is present in the main line, this is a mainline Wi-Fi module, this is also transmitting the current consumption of both the households, house 1 and house 2, which is equal to 0.72. Look here, house 1 plus house 2 current consumption is equal to mainline current consumption. That means no theft is done. No power theft is done. See here, if there is any power theft, that means this is the theft load. Theft load means another load is connected to the main line, and if this load is on, see, if this load is on, then the Wi-Fi module which is connected to the main line is transmitting the current consumption as 1.08 amps. Actually, what should be the current consumption? It should be equal to the sum of the house 1 current consumption and house 2 current consumption, that is 0.36 plus 0.36. That should be equivalent to 0.72 only. But the mainline power consumption is coming as 1.08 amps. That means the theft is occurred. Theft is occurred on the main. This any power theft is identified by the person in the substation, then he can switch off the relay which is connected to the main line with the help of the relay control given in the app. See here, what I am doing, I switched off the relay which is connected to the main power supply. Then all the loads are switched off. Then what person can do? The person can reach the area where the power theft is occurred, and he can identify the person who is doing the power theft. In this way, we can monitor the real-time power consumption of the houses, and also we can detect the power theft, and we can also control the loads.